First of all, first day we were there, I see these two geese that are flying, paddling slowly across the lake, and I look over at them and I think, that's stupid. Why aren't you flying? Get to where you need to get and get there quickly. And it's like the Lord just immediately spoke to my heart and said, it's okay to change your pace as long as you're still headed in the right direction. Really resonated with me because I felt guilty for taking a week off and sitting by a lake with a bunch of guys. Didn't feel very productive, but yet soul care was me heading in the right direction. It was pretty cool. At the end of the week, I see two geese again, and this time they are cranking it across the lake as fast as they can go. It's like the Lord said, okay, now it's back to the season of busy. And those ebbs and flows, it was a good reminder. I needed that.